Each morning, we are born again. What we do today matters most. And the way you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Good morning, guys. So let me take you through my peaceful morning routine. I always love to start my day with a quiet moment of meditation on my bed, remembering Kanaji and Radharani ji, and a few deep breaths, and I'm ready for this beautiful day which feels like a gift. I make my bed as soon as I wake up, so it's one less thing to think about later. Time to water this cute little small plant which I've placed in the corner of my washroom. And first thing first, I brushed my teeth. And I had this new set on and I totally forgot to remove the tag from it. Now my teeth are clean and shiny. I'm moving on to my skincare first. My skincare is really simple these days. I mostly use moisturizer, eye cream, and of course sunscreen. I'm trying this new sunscreen which is from Chocobo. It has a very lightweight matte finish texture which does not make your skin oily or give any kind of white cast. Now it's time to open the windows and let the fresh air fill the room. After being sick for a long time, I'm slowly getting my strength back. So I'm currently taking a little warm water with honey and lemon to boost my immunity every morning. Now it's time to go through my to-do list and check off the things I need to get done and take care of the things I've planned for today. Recently, my sister started her own small painting business. She makes original acrylic paintings on canvas, and these are some of her pieces. If you like them, you can check out her Instagram page, Anukriti Art Studio. I will leave the link below, and it would mean a lot if you could support her in this new journey of her life like you guys always supported me. I am having adrak tulsi tea and it's cold, so I put on some warm clothes and soaking in the sunlight for half an hour. Something my body really needs right now to feel strong. So I just sat in the sun for a while, just watching the sunrise. After that, I watered my plants. So this season, so many flowers are blooming in my home garden. And I'm planting a few more to add to the colors. I also check on them from time to time to make sure they are healthy, though my parents take care of them most of the time. And watching these flowers daily, I am reminded that nature has its own quiet way of showing its beauty. कुछ months पहले मेरी मॉम ने ये धनिया के seeds लगाए थे and they are doing so well. So it's always nice to see good results from the effort you put in. With so many flowers blooming this season, I am adding a few more flower seeds to my garden and I can't wait to share the results with you all as they grow. Now it's time to open a few more windows in the other rooms as well and let the natural light fill the space. Since the sunlight is really good in this spot right here, I am placing these cushion pillows out so the light can help freshen and sanitize them. Now it's time for journaling, the part I love most in the whole day. It helps clear my mind and brings a sense of calm. It has become a daily practice for me It keeps me grounded and reminds me to be grateful for what I have. After being sick, I feel like I'm becoming more grounded and deeper from within. I do get daily visits from birds and squirrels. They feel like little friends now. This one's just hanging around in my room. They come and go freely whenever they want. And whenever I remember a task, I add it to my checklist and tick off completed ones so I don't get confused or repeat work. This helps me to stay on track and avoid repeating things. It also helps me to stay organized and save my time. Now it's time to read a few pages from my favorite books. Reading is my personal hobby and I never miss it in the morning, even if it's just for 10 minutes. It helps me stay present. I mostly read spiritual books, which I find to be the best remedy for every problems of life. After that, I spend some time meditating and doing light yoga stretches. I'm still taking it slow, but I'm happy with how I'm progressing. And honestly guys, most of the time I do get confused about which video to upload next for you all. And I'm sure a lot of creators do feel the same way. Also, getting the right music for my videos is always a challenge for me. So even small stretching exercises keeps my body active and refreshed and also relaxed. Now it's time for a bath and getting ready for the day. For my makeup, I'm currently keeping it very simple with just a CC or BB cream and a lip tint. And currently my favorite lip tint is this juicy lasting tint from Romand. It is a very nice lightweight texture and is a long lasting lip tint. It gives a natural finish to your lips. So next मैं अपने छोटे से प्यारे से मंदिर में जा रही हूँ to wake up Kanha ji and Radha Rani. And this is where my morning truly begins, inside the mandir, doing my daily puja. This place is my heart, where I forget all worldly worries and simply surrender. Just me and my Prabhuji. Time for breakfast. Today I'm trying a new recipe which I found online and I will be sharing it with you all. And I really hope it turns out really good and delicious. Now that the garlic is chopped, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm adding the chopped garlic into it, some chili flakes and oregano, and mixing everything together. Next, I'm going to spread this on the bread. On top of that, adding a cheese slice, some corns, I'm spreading the same mix again on both sides of bread slices. And finally, let it toast on hot tawa for a few minutes. It's already looking so tempting and I just can't wait to taste it and tell you guys how is it. The cheese is dripping and melting from inside and it's turned out really crispy. And it was so cold this morning, so I really wanted a hot coffee with my breakfast. I'm trying this new coffee from Country Bean and they're really generous to send me this as a gift. It has a banana flavor in it and it tastes really good. So I made this coffee to enjoy with my sandwich. And while eating, I usually watch spiritual podcasts and YouTube channels like Voice of the Rishis or Ram Krishna Mission channel. And guys, the sandwich turned out really good with the cheese melting perfectly in my mouth. So if you guys try this new breakfast recipe, Do let me know how it turned out for you all. And with a hot cup of coffee, it's a perfect 5-minute breakfast. After breakfast, now it's time to get ready for my work, checking emails, my calendar, meetings, and then using the remaining time to edit my videos while enjoying the view from my window. It's cold, but I have a room heater, so I'm cozy here. And guys, sometimes editing a video takes me so long that I completely forget it's lunchtime. Since I'm also learning new camera angles and software, it does take me a bit more time to get everything right. I do take short breaks in between so that I don't exhaust or drain myself. And if you guys want to know, I source most of my room decor from Amazon. I take inspiration from Pinterest and then set a mood to give my room a fresh makeover. And yes, somehow, learning new things, even little ones, makes me feel really good. I've set up this small, cozy place for me just for reading. It is like my own small library. In the middle of a busy day, when I feel drained, I read Bhagavad Gita. It's always there for me as a guide and a true friend. I'm currently potting a few more indoor plants because I love having them around me. So today I'm planting an Erica palm, and I think this one needs a little love and care. So if you guys know any other good indoor plants, let me know. I will get them next time. Now let's give this plant some sunlight, and I'm gently removing the unhealthy leaves so it can grow better. Now getting my camera ready as I'm going to visit our farms with my papa. Farm days are always my favorite. I love going with my papa to see our farms. It always fills my heart with peace and happiness because there is something so special about farm days. Walking the fields with my papa brings immense joy and peace to my heart. And I completely forgot to shoot myself, so you are getting these shoe clips instead. So yeah guys, that's a little glimpse into my day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and spending time with me. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to share more moments with you soon. If you guys particularly like anything in this video, do let me know in the comments. And I'll see you all in my next video.